literally perfect. You watching dog videos? We just got back from brunch at Toasted. It was so good. We don't usually go for like a brunch right when we wake up.
It wasn't even brunch.
Yeah, we went for full-blown breakfast.
My least favorite thing.
What's your least favorite thing?
Brunch.
Brunch, because it's like too late in the day for you.
Yeah, just give me lunch at that point.
So yeah, we went for full-blown breakfast.
Yeah, it was perfect. I mean, I looked at my phone when we got home and I was like, oh my gosh, it was like 9:35 or something.
Yeah, it's not even 10 a.m. and we're
so
home.
Pleasant.
So nice.
2-minute drive.
Yeah. We went right over to Toasted in the neighborhood. I got the best matcha I have ever had. I got a 16-ounce matcha latte with pistachio milk. It was phenomenal. It was so good. And my period cramps are raging. I'm like dressed in cozy clothes. I'm wearing these Outdoor Voices leggings and this crew neck sweatshirt. I'm debating whether I want to maybe try and do a little Pilates practice, move my body a little bit. Maybe I'll just go downstairs and take a little walk on the treadmill just to try and ease these cramps a little bit. I feel like I need to move my body or something. I need to do something because these cramps are so bad. And then I'm gonna head over to Jen's, but I'm not even planning on heading over there for like another hour and a half or so. Actually, before I do that, I am gonna update my budget. No time like the present, so I'm gonna do that right now. Budget, and I saw that I got a offer on my Poshmark. I just counter offered because they offered me $8 for something I had on sale for $16. So I countered offered, but then I just wanted to add up and see how much money I made through Poshmark in 2022, and I made $394. And I'm just feeling so proud of myself for doing the hustle. It's not a lot of work, but it does take effort to find the items, write up the descriptions, take the pictures. It's literally what I'm gonna go help Jen do in a little bit. Still undecided about whether I'm gonna walk on the treadmill or not. I just don't know yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I'm feeling so proud of myself for having taken that effort, because 400 bucks, obviously that's not a lot of money in the year, but it's not nothing. And for items that were just sitting around here that I wasn't using anyway, I am just so happy. That just put me in a really good mood and just like a very grateful headspace. So I'm feeling so good. Now that I am done with budget stuff, I'm actually going to set up. I recorded a vlog yesterday that I haven't started to edit or anything like that, but I did load the footage onto my external, so I'm gonna actually log in and get that all loaded into Final Cut Pro at least, and then maybe I'll do a little treadmill walk. I don't know, we'll see. Hi babies.
My room's also a disaster.
You're literally packing. It's also like actually not a disaster.
Oh my god, it's a disaster.
Okay, so you're gonna sell these. These are great. Yep.
Those I'm gonna sell. I literally wanted to look nice today so you could take a nice picture of me for a professional.
Oh, you can put
no professional pictures.
You can put on some makeup.
No, I'd have to do my hair. I can't take professional pictures like this. I look like shit.
No, you could like style it with like a tight bun. That's like a thing now.
I don't love that.
As you guys can see, I'm at Jen's.
Mid-move.
She's in the middle of packing and everything. I told the vlog a little bit. Is this one of the plants?
Don't show that.
I'm not showing it.
Yes.
I'm just pointing.
I killed my plants.
No, honestly, some of them they'll look really healthy. It's just a few of them that are looking like only that one. Even the yellow can be revived back.
That used to look so good.
Yeah, maybe it is
It
just
used
that
to be
it's not. You're not getting a ton
green.
of light.
That snake plant is growing sideways.
That's fine though. It looks good.
It's got some new developments.
It's standing up really tall and nice. Also, you could do a slicked back bun. That's like that's trendy right now. We could still like I could take pictures.
That's trendy.
Yeah.
Your
don't
freckles are so cute.
Oh yeah, they're fake.
Oh.
I wish I had real
I
freckles.
was gonna say I've never seen you with freckles.
I know. I draw them on.
Years
I literally draw them on every day. Oh, I maybe shouldn't lay on a bed with cat hair.
Oh,
only from an allergy standpoint, but that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, that's
okay,
fine.
we're gonna take pictures. Maybe Jen's gonna slick back her hair, and I'm gonna take pictures of her for professional purposes. So we'll see. We'll prop you guys up somewhere, and we'll get a little B-roll.
Bella, no.
Mm-hmm. Jen has all the best things, always.
I do.
And Jen gets the Coconut Cult probiotic coconut yogurt. I have wanted to try this yogurt, no joke, for at least 3 years.
So had I, and then I bought it.
Literally at least 3 years. So we are going to have a Coconut Cult
Now,
try on.
The thing that's great about this is a few things. One, it comes in glass. These are reusable, so then when I'm done with them, I can just like use these mason jars.
Yep.
2, this coconut yogurt we're gonna use.
You can literally see the bubbles
from the mousse. But the other thing is this coconut yogurt lasts 8 weeks unopened, 3 weeks opened. You cannot double dip. Do not ever double dip, because that's like what makes it last longer
Double
too.
dip.
AKA taking a scoop, eating it, putting your spoon back in
with
and
your
eating
mouth
it.
bacteria.
Correct.
Got it.
I have used multiple spoons to do this before. Probably best bet, put it into a bowl. Are you ready?
I'm so
you should
excited.
honestly bring the camera over so I can show you what happens right when you take it out.
Oh my god, the pop.
I didn't mean about the pop. Here, I'll move this. That might fall.
No.
Oh,
Great spot.
okay. I don't know. It's not gonna pop. It doesn't really pop, but
I
it's
thought
like
it popped.
filled to the rim.
You guys. I'm so excited.
You're not supposed to shake it.
Okay.
That's another thing. So sometimes like the first few bites, honestly, are not my favorite. So I'm gonna take these parts
Okay.
and you will take a different bite. It's literal mousse.
Oh my gosh.
You can have more. I'm just
so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Coconut Cult.
It's so thick.
Oh wow. Oh my god, what?
Isn't it good?
It is so good.
It's such a good dessert.
Oh my god.
Isn't it good?
Mm.
I literally was just saying, I'm not going to buy it anymore.
25 billion probiotics per serving.
Yep. Like,
Wow.
They even suggest when you start eating it,
Eat
only
only a little
eat
bit.
a little bit at a time because of the probiotics.
Oh my god.
It's so good. I know. It's expensive, but it's really worth it.
It is a very, very interesting taste.
It's coconutty.
It's a really nice balance of sourness that you would
Uh-huh.
expect in yogurt with creaminess because it's moussey, with a little bit of, it's obviously
It's chocolate
a
mousse.
chocolate mousse. Yeah, the flavor is chocolate mousse, so you can like taste the chocolate, but it's not very chocolatey.
Yep.
It's like a sour coconutty chocolate.
It's so good.
Wow.
I know. It's
Wow, wow,
really
wow.
good. I've had their other flavors too. I think the chocolate mousse is probably my favorite. Like the Santa's Milk and Cookies was really good. That was made with Simple Mills. That was really yummy too. But I think this has always been my favorite.
Wow. Do you order it from their website?
And if you're on their website, so I had wanted this for a really, really, really long time, and I just didn't do it because of how expensive it is. And then I did finally order it, and it was sold out for a really long time because they make it in very small batches. So when I finally ordered it, I got on like their mailing list, and so I get to know when there are new flavors first, and I can order them, and you can put this is like a subscription, and they'll let you swap out if there's like a newer flavor. So like banana came out, and I have thought about buying it, and I will.
This is very good.
Isn't it good? Aren't you glad you tried it though before you buy it?
Happy. Jen is like always my person that I can try the thing before I buy the thing.
Although you didn't try my Athletic Greens before you bought Athletic Greens, but I did tell you a bunch of times how good it is.
I know. Well, because Athletic Greens though is very expensive. That's the kind of thing that's like this I can have a bite of.
Yes.
Athletic Greens is like you either drink, and I guess I could have had a sip of hers, but then it's literally taking a tiny bit of her serving away, and I'm not going to get the benefit of it. So that to me, Athletic Greens is the kind of thing that it's like, you got to buy it yourself and just start the regimen to see if you like it and see if it works for you.
Yes.
Trying Athletic Greens one day, like maybe it'll make your gut feel good one day, but I feel like it's the like...
I just mean in terms of like trying the flavor before you buy it, because like you don't know what the flavor is, and when I first tried Athletic Greens, I was like, it's fruity. Like, why is it fruity? And I was confused. So like if I hadn't been able to try it, I mean, I still would have bought it because I think it's amazing, but
and
you
I
know
also
what I mean.
Totally, but I also like I was gonna buy Athletic Greens because I wanted the benefit of Athletic Greens, and I was kind of almost like, regardless of how this tastes, I'm gonna drink.
That's why I did
because I need something. I was at the point where I was having stomach pain and bloat and discomfort almost every morning when I was waking up, and I was like, I will try anything. I was like, I will drink a nasty black charcoal-y kind of thing if it will help. So and Athletic Greens taste good. And Jen just inspired me to order. I just went on the website and got some travel packs because I'm going to San Diego in a week. So
also, don't mind my space.
Oh,
I'm moving.
Yes, for the 30th time. Don't judge your space.
Don't judge my space. I'm moving to Colorado.
But
anyone who wants to come
she just listed. What's your name on Poshmark?
I think it's at Jen1206.
Check out her Poshmark closet. She has so much stuff, really, really nice stuff.
And
really
I'm a Posh ambassador.
Yeah, she's an ambassador. She's got like 9,400 followers. And she has so much good stuff in her closet. And we just dropped all the prices.
All of them.
For everything. Leggings, sweaters.
Watches,
really
sunglasses,
nice shoes, like heels, sneakers. Yeah, sunglasses, watches. And some men's stuff too. Some really nice men's shirts.
Button downs.
If you're looking for stuff for yourself or for your partner, some shorts too, some denim, all the things. So you guys gotta go. Yeah, she's your girl. Check out her closet. I just got back from Jen's. It was so good to go over there and get some time with her, help her with some organization and packing stuff. I want to show you. Matt installed shelves for us by our entryway, and I put the rest of my books that I had in our secretary in a box. Finally displayed on a bookshelf. I'm so excited. And the next video that I am gonna record and post is gonna be an apartment tour. I think I'm gonna just do that tomorrow. Finally do the apartment tour vlog. It has been a while in the making. We've been here over 5 months. So just casually close to half a year took me to film a apartment tour vlog, but I'm gonna finally film that tomorrow. I'm so excited. Actually, I really should ask you, can you help me film an apartment tour vlog tomorrow?
Yes, that's been a long-standing agreement.
It's been a long-standing ask. I think I've asked Matt, like, hey, can you help me film an apartment tour vlog probably like 5 times? And it's only, like, I'm the one who has never finally been like, oh, hey, can we actually do that? I just ask him if he will do it. And he's like, yeah, just tell me when. And then I never tell him when. So I'm finally telling him when. I'm so excited. We're going to film that tomorrow. Show you around the apartment. So be sure to hit the thumbs up if you like this video and hit the bell to subscribe so you can see the apartment tour and get notified when it posts. And I'll see you guys in the next one.